What's up guys, and the flow of Galaxy S22 leaks keep coming, and as we are approaching the end of the year, excitement is getting through the roof. The Galaxy S22 Ultra will bring you a 108 megapixel sensor performance that has never ever been seen on any 108 megapixel sensor phone before. The camera is indeed bringing some massive changes. We also have a record-breaking feature that is indeed coming, but it's not just exclusive to the S22 Ultra. We'll talk about that later, but let's take a look at the new amazing upgrades with the camera on the S22 Ultra. According to Universe, the S22 Ultra's camera UI will have a special AI enhanced mode, and now we actually have an image of what it could possibly look like. If you go into the 108 megapixel mode, you will see this button popping up towards the right hand corner, and pretty much when you press it, it's gonna bring out the full potential of that 108 megapixel sensor, giving you the ability to push the sensor to its absolute limits and bring out razor sharp images like never before. Again, this is all because of the hardware, which is now finally capable of handling this big sensor to its best form. Now, this is not the only area where Samsung will bring huge update. Apparently, the video performance is getting improved massively. According to this source, the S22 Ultra could bring super HDR performance, which is set to bring more realistic colors and improve the overall quality. It is due to the Super ISO Pro feature that Samsung has built in on the S22 Ultra. Furthermore, it can convert 68 billion colors at a 12-bit rate in video mode. So quite a lot of power coming on when it comes to the video performance, not just the photos. I'm really excited to see how the video performance will stack up against the iPhone 13 Pro. Now, camera gains don't stop there. We could also see a highly improved optical image stabilization performance. The source mentioned this as wide shift optical image stabilization, probably similar to sensor shift that we have seen on the iPhone. It's said to bring huge improvements. There's also a mention of AI autofocus that actually predicts the movement during the portrait mode so that you can get non-blurry portrait mode shots even when there's movement. I have to say the camera improvements are looking really solid, considering it's pretty much the same sensor as the S21 Ultra. Now, speaking of the zoom, we're gonna see 100x zoom performance on the S22 Ultra. The Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus will max out at 30x zoom. Now, let's talk about Samsung's world record feature that's coming with the S22 series. So apparently, the S22 Ultra is now pretty much confirmed to have the brightest display on any smartphone on this planet, up to 1750 nits, close to 1800 level. But guess what? Samsung is actually bringing this same brightness on its S22 Plus as well. So it's not just exclusive to the S22 Ultra, which is again very surprising, something that I did not expect. As for the base Galaxy S22, it will still have impressive 1300 plus nits of brightness. Now, speaking of Galaxy S22, here's a quick perspective of how small it is in terms of size. So you can see the S22 screen protector on top of the S21 Ultra, looking really cute. Honestly, the sizes this year for the whole lineup are perfect. Now, both Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus will offer a fresh light pink gold color. This is going to be a matte finish variant, and previously it was thought that it's going to be a rose gold color, but it's actually pink gold. And although I'm not a huge fan of pink color, but because of that gold action going on, it honestly looks amazing. Now, here are the battery sizes for all the models. We've seen this before. It's now further confirmed. So that's all the latest news regarding the Galaxy S22 series. Camera gains are more than what we expected. And of course, the big record-breaking feature is not just exclusive to the S22 Ultra. Super excited to see that move. As always, if you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.